लाइव वगैरह पर हैं तो उनके लिए, उनके ऑडियंसेस के लिए यू आर गोइंग टू सी समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टुडे। अब ये गाना जो है, आई हैव बीन वेरी लकी कि मुझे इस गाने को देखने का मौका मिला है। लेकिन इस गाने के बारे में कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे पता है कि आप अपने ऑडियंसेस से कहना चाहेंगे। सबसे पहले ऑफ कोर्स एक बारी, ओके, सो दिस इज़ द नेम ऑफ द सिंगल। भूषण कुमार साहब, जितना कहूँ कम है, उन्हें मैं म्यूज़िक मुगल बुलाती हूँ लेकिन वो भी कम है। एक ट्रेंड शुरू किया था उन्होंने सिंगल्स का, और अब ये एक ट्रेंड तो नहीं, ही इज़ ऑलवेज बिन अ ट्रेल ब्लेजर। टी सीरीज ऑफ कोर्स वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑफ म्यूजिक इन आवर country. So if you are, able to, please put your hands together, because I know a lot of you have cameras in your hand. But I must say this, because thank you for supporting great music, first of all. Secondly, of course, introducing the man who you're going to see on the screen, Ayushmann Khurrana, ladies and gentlemen. He's right here. Give him a huge hand. A warm welcome, Ayushmann. Your last two singles, of course, Mitti Di Khushboo, kitna sunaya logo ko, kitna sunaya. It was wonderful, and of course, the other one is Yahi Hu Main, which is one of my favorites because I used to keep singing it. Ayushmann, sometimes I think I sing like you, forgive me. बेस वाली आवाज़ है ना, इसीलिए। बट ऑफ कोर्स द फैक्ट दैट इस बार, एंड मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि ये स्पेशल क्यों है, ये जानना ज़रूरी है। यू कोलैबोरेटेड विथ योर ब्रदर एंड वी ऑल हैव अ रेडियो कनेक्शन। तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ आज। अपार शक्ति खुराना, जिनको आज मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ आपके सामने, प्लीज़ गिव हिम अ ह्यूज हैंड गाइस, थैंक यू। Hi Apar Shakti, so nice to see you here. The song has been composed by the brothers Ayushmann and Apar Shakti, and it's been sung by Ayushmann himself. And is video mein, of course, when there is so much valor and so much, handsomeness in a frame, there needs to be some beauty as well. But beauty ke do elements hain. Sabse pehle, of course, I'd like to, show off our wonderful find to the media, Aisha Sharma. How gorgeous are you? Please give her a huge hand. Aisha is here with us. We'll be, of course, unveiling the video in just a little bit. You'll have a look. लेकिन इसके साथ साथ एक और gorgeous बात है इस वीडियो में, the location itself. It's Georgia, बहुत ही underexposed जगह है, and I think जिसकी वजह से एक freshness है इस वीडियो में. लेकिन ये सारे elements, okay, the music's there, two good-looking people, talented people, a great location. अगर एक ज़बरदस्त director नहीं होते, none of this would come together. And it's my absolute honor. पहली बार मेरी लाइफ में मैं इन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ, प्रदीप सरकार साहब. You don't need any introduction, but it's an absolute honor to actually take your name on a stage. And इस वीडियो में एक और बहुत ही खास, एक बहुत ही स्पेशल चीज़ है. 90s के बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर? 90s के बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर? I'm not going to say anything more. I'm not going to say anything more, right? I'm going to let us watch the video, and don't forget, इसका जो पूरा ऑडियो है आप exclusively सुन पाएंगे Hungama Music app पर. So please make sure that you get onto that after the launch. For right now, ladies and gentlemen, I give you Ikvari. Let's watch it. Thank you. Ask you this, which is, would you actually do a little bit of a guitar strumming performance for us, if it's not too much? You guys want to see that? Yeah? I think I want to. My brother will strum the guitar, sing with you. Okay, great, awesome. Give it up for the wonderful Khurrana brothers, ladies and gentlemen, Ayushmann and Apar Shakti. That was amazing, by the way. Great video to start with. And मैं जानती हूँ कि आपके साथ-साथ I want to invite your crew as well. So could I please have your sexy chorni, if I may call you that, darling. Come on, join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Aisha Sharma. Give her a big hand. Hi, babe. Come, you can stand right here. And of course, could I please call upon Apar Shakti to also join us? Thank you, Apar. All right, Dada, can I please request you also to join us? Ladies and gentlemen,
Pradeep Sarkar, the man
put your
behind
hands
this video.
together. And we give you Team Ikvari, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, you can take a couple of pictures and then we start our Q&A. But I have a couple of questions to start this session with. पहला सवाल दादा आपके लिए मैं पूछना चाहूँगी आपसे. Could I please hand him a mic, Aisha? Thank you. Oh, you have your own. Thanks. Great. आपने हमें बहुत अच्छी फिल्में दी हैं. And this is an understatement. But अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, उम्र आपकी बता दूं चलेगा? डांटोगे तो नहीं ना? 25 साल. तो 25 साल की उम्र में दादा आप मुझे बताएं, what motivated you to direct a music video?
Music, I mean, attracts me anyway. Plus, Ayushmann था, आंटी थी. But नहीं, गाना is fantastic, you know. पहले तो समझने में थोड़ा दिन लगा. फिर दिन में मैंने understood the word. Fantastic, very nice, nicely written. And I think it'll stay because Ashiki is also going into it. It's beautiful.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Pradeep Sarkar once again. That was pretty simple, the reasons, to be honest, not too complicated. आपका मन किया और आपने direct कर दिया. Thank you so much for
that. That's why I work.
We know this. All right, Aisha, a question for you now. बहुत बड़े launches जो हैं हुए हैं T-Series के music videos के साथ. All right, and you've debuted with a music video. How does that make you feel?
Absolutely ecstatic to be debuting with a video that's been done by T-Series. And I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity because I've been directed by the legendary Pradeep Da. And I don't think it gets better than that. The song sung beautifully by Ayushmann. I think I couldn't have asked for anything more. All the boxes have been ticked. That's all I can say.
And you look great. Congratulations on a great debut. All right, we're going to hand over the mic to Ayushmann. Hi, Ayushmann. Thank you so much. Quick question, simple question. You can answer this like nobody. Ashiki, okay, Bhushan ji ki Ashiki. यहाँ पर कैसे छिड़ी आपने?
In fact, this is the first time I'm rehashing a song. This is the first time I'm working on a remixed kind of a song, and that's kind of new for me because normally my songs are not very commercial. I believe that because Mitti Di Khushboo is slightly off-center. Even Yahi Hu Main was slightly off-center. But this is, I think, this is the first commercial song I've sung. That's what I think. And I think, yeah, Ashiki just adds more zing to it because it comes as it's not expected to come. You know, after the Mukhra of the songs, suddenly the Antara of Ashiki comes. So I think which is quite a surprise. And apart from that, it's been directed by legendary Pradeep Sarkar. And this is not the first time he's directing a music video. पहले 90s में जब indie music का दौर था, Euphoria के सारे गाने धूम पिचक धूम मायरी इन्होंने direct किए हैं. I think he started the trend. And I think it was a very organic a collaboration with T-Series, and when the singles are again coming back because of T-Series. So yeah.
Feature बनाने का इच्छा ना always रहता है तो गाने से शुरू किया था.
All right, thank you so much, Ayushmann. Very well said. Apar Shakti, hi, welcome. This is so nice.
How's it going?
It's fantastic, man. Okay, we're gonna ask you the question जो media आपसे बहुत बार पूछने वाली तो एक ही बार में मैं खत्म कर देती हूँ. आपकी स्टार भैया के साथ काम करके आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
You know, of course, I mean, through and through, I mean, through college days, school days, and even now he's guided me through in a lot of, not only music, otherwise also, he started his career with radio. So he's been, you know, giving me all the important things you need to do, not only to become a good radio jockey, but to become a good human being as well, or a good music.
Ayushmann Bhava.
So he's
spiritual guru here.
A lot of Ayushmann Bhava has been happening at home as well. So yeah, I mean, so it's great to collaborate with somebody, you know, who totally knows you inside out, and who has given me complete freedom and space to do something with him.
That's so wonderful. I give you once again, ladies and gentlemen, Ikvari. Give them a huge hand once again, please. I'd like to request our wonderful stars to stay right here because ab mera kaam khatam ho gaya. Over to the media. All right, guys.
I think, of course, that's a legendary pose which started in the 90s. जब आशिकी रिलीज हुई थी, पहली आशिकी, उसका रिलेशन उससे है क्योंकि गाना उस फिल्म का है, पहली आशिकी का है. और आई थिंक एक कनेक्ट पहले से बना हुआ है आशिकी का. और टी सीरीज आई थिंक तब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था ये ट्रेंड फिल्मों में आने का, एंड उनका कोलैबोरेशन भट्ट साहब के साथ था. एंड दिस वाज दैट फिल्म जहाँ पर गाने पहले बने थे, उसके बाद फिल्म डिसाइड की गई थी. सो आई थिंक म्यूजिक इज द एसेंस ऑफ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग रीहैश ऑफ अ सॉन्ग एज आई सेड. और ऑफ कोर्स वो उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए वो पोज बहुत ज़रूरी था.
Music to care, of course. I mean, we have collaborated on this, and I'm just gearing up for a film called Dangal on December 23rd. It's an Amir Khan film. So, yeah, that's something on acting front. Yeah?
आयुष्मान
Absolutely wonderful. इससे better experience हो नहीं सकता था. I've been directed by Pradeep Da in my first video, and Ayushmann songs beautifully, and I couldn't have asked for more. Absolutely wonderful experience.
प्रदीदा के सेट पे सब बंगाली में बात करते हैं, और जब मैं वहाँ पे आया वो देवर सरप्राइज सुनो कि मैं बंगाली समझ सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी प्यारी बिंदु में बंगाली प्ले कर रहा हूँ. सो आई थिंक बहुत ही अमेजिंग कनेक्शन है बंगालीज के साथ मेरा. और आजकल मैं रविंद्र संगीत काफ़ी सुन रहा हूँ, एंड आई लव बंगाली कल्चर. And I think Bengal, entire Bengal is full of art, literature, and music, which is amazing. Also food. So I think I'm in love with Calcutta and Bengal, and Bengalis, of course. Dada. यार दादा एक्चुअली वो सरप्राइज भी, मैं 22 साल चंडीगढ़ में रहा हूँ, मैं पंजाबी एक्सेंट है मेरा हिंदी में. दम लगा के जो हिंदी बोलने की कोशिश की थी मैंने, खड़ी बोली, लेकिन इसमें बंगाली बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. He was, दादा मैं ठीक बोल रहा हूँ वैसे?
अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो.
He was like,
थोड़ा हो जाए.
थोड़ा इतना नहीं बोल सकते.
गाना तो गा दे.
बंगाली गाना.
आयुष्मान
আমারও পরানো যা চায় তুমি তাই গো আমারও পরানো যা চায়. Yeah, it's a Rabindra Sangeet. Any Bengalis in the house? No Bengalis.
No, whatever my heart wants, it is you.
Yeah, that's the meaning of the song. Yeah.
आयुष्मान दिस इज आशी फ्रॉम म्यूजिक इंडिया.
Hi.
और 90s का सॉन्ग काफ़ी हद तक यूज़ किया है इसमें. आपने ये जो वर्ड है एक बारी कॉलेज लाइफ में कभी यूज़ किया है? एक बारी हाँ कह दे किसी के ऊपर आपने
देखो
use
मैं अपनी बीवी के अलावा किसी का नाम ले नहीं सकता यहाँ पे, तो एक क्वेश्चन का पॉइंट बनता नहीं है. अगर कोई और हो भी तो मैं बता नहीं सकता, तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? इट वाज माय वाइफ ताहिरा ऑफ कोर्स.
मुझे क्या फील हो रहा है यार?
I think this is the best question of the day. It is.
He is not my
I think he should stand here. आयशा तुम्हारी है.
यार, मुझे क्या फील होना है यार? I mean, I don't know how to answer this one.
He wants to know if you're jealous, yeah.
Dude,
अपार शक्ति की इच्छा शक्ति.
अपार शक्ति की बात. I have a very nice, happy love life. So, इच्छा मतलब I don't know man how to answer that one. That's quite a.
ये बहुत खुश है. इच्छाएं इसकी ऑफ कैमरा पूरी होती हैं, ऐसी बात है. I just tried, yeah. In fact, I don't know. Yeah, in school I was known as a dancer, but I had to choose between dance and music in school. I chose music, and in college I had to choose between music and theatre. I chose theatre. So yeah, I think there was just a bit of it, a 15-seconder. But yeah, I think both are parallel vectors for me, acting and singing. I think Indian industry is about music and dance and all these things, and I think you can't survive without music. And I think if you can lend my own voice to my own character on screen, it's just credible. You can say that, of course. My life is incomplete without music, for sure. That's it, I guess.
I'm also waiting. बोलो ना, मैं भी वेट कर रहा हूँ. आपको कुछ बोले तो बोल दीजिए मुझे.
This single, I think it was a year back when I wanted to do a rehash of a T-Series song, especially Ashiki. And though I think it was my genre of music was very different, but I think this one, it was very organic flow with Ikvari and when the Antara comes for Ashiki. So I think that's why I chose this particular song, and it's one of my favorite songs from Ashiki album. Yeah, of course. अरे ये कैसा सवाल है? ये आशिकी वाला गाना तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है क्या? I love this song, yeah. And of course, the original song is on tabla and dholak and peti. Isliye, of course, this is a different take on it. So that's why.
Aisha, how comfortable were you doing that last scene?
Oh, actually, everything on camera is not what it seems. It was the easiest shot of it. I was in a bodysuit, absolutely comfortable. And I think I was in the hands of Dada. It was the easiest shot of the video, I think, Dada.
Hands of Dada, मतलब मैं था नहीं वीडियो में. वो
Absolutely.
दादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
Yeah, everything, I would just say everything is not what it seems. Yeah,
You see,
very
I'm not
comfortable.
25. That's the problem.
Were you not intimidated by Ayushmann?
Ayushmann, I threw him out at that point.
No, not really. No.
Not really.
Okay, no, I wasn't. I was in the hands of Dada, so I was quite happy. It was an easy shot of the video.
Those were Dada's hands, not mine.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
पोस्ट में मेरे हाथ डाल दिए थे. जैकेट के अंदर दादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
Rather, but very cleverly it was picturized. You couldn't see it.
What are you going to see? I mean, huh.
They missed a lot. Very cleverly shot.
I mean,
वणक्कम.
Dada, it's a compliment, I'd like to believe.
yeah.
Just can't figure the tone.
People would wait for a glimpse. Very cleverly you evaded it.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much once again. I want to say this before we go. I think that this video